Hi everyone! Als morning! It's Teacher Ann here. At ang video na ito ay isang special episode na kung saan ay makakasama natin ang ALS Vocal and EPS2 ng dalawang dibisyon mula sa Davao Oriental and City of Mati, ALS teacher ng Gulftown District, BPOSA and City of Mati teachers para sa monitoring, evaluation, and validation on the presentation portfolio assessment for alternative learning system accreditation and equivalency elementary and junior high school learners for school year 2023 to 2024. Tara!
Baka makikita natin kung marunong siyang mag-typing. So, maganda po. Dalawang certification, may declaration. Ang ganda niya magsulat.
Hindi na pinahirapan namin kayo. Pinag-aralan natin paano ito improve para sa quality education.
We're crafting a policy wherein this coming school year, magkakaroon na ng ANC.
Bukod po dyan mga ka-ALS ay maririnig din natin ang mga mensahe mula kay Ma'am Maria Cristina N. Marquez ng Central Office at Ma'am Maricel S. Langahid ng Region 11 Office.
To all the learners of ALS, Junior High School and Elementary, who successfully passed the PPA 5, congratulations and we are very proud of you. Keep on.
Kumusta sa lahat ng ating mga ALS passers ng elementary sa junior high school? Congratulations sa inyong lahat. Mabuhay kayo at ipagpatuloy lang ang ating pag-aaral.
Yan lang muna mga ka-ALS!